In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files or emails for a user in Google Workspace. This is an invaluable skill to have whether you're managing a team or ensuring important data isn't lost forever. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we need to head to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to find the Directory tab. This is where you manage all your users and group settings, so being familiar with this part of the dashboard can be essential for effectively handling your organization's needs. Once you've located Directory, click on it and then select Users. This section gives you insight into all the users you're administering within Google Workspace, a central hub for managing individual accounts and settings. Now here's where it gets a little more nuanced. You need to look for more options once you're in the Users section. This option expands the list of tools and controls at your disposal, and in our case, it will allow you to access the list of recently deleted users. Once you've clicked on More Options, navigate to Recently Deleted Users. This list is where any user accounts that have been removed within a specific time frame will be housed, allowing you a window of opportunity for recovery. The next step would be locating the specific user who needs file or email recovery. Once you find them on the list, hover your cursor over their name. A Recover button should appear at this point, which is the key to initiating the restoration process for the deleted user. Go ahead and click that Recover button. Each click of Recover moves us one step closer to restoring the necessary files and emails that are crucial for the user in question. It's important to note that timing is essential when it comes to recovery. The window for restoring deleted users and their data isn't indefinite, so acting promptly is always advisable. Once you've clicked this button, you're on your way to ensuring the user's files and emails are well on their way to being fully restored within the Google Workspace system. Through this process, not only do you ensure that critical data is never permanently lost, but you also build confidence in utilizing the Google Workspace platform to its fullest capabilities. Whether for a team member who's returning after an account has been mistakenly deleted, or simply safeguarding important emails and documents, this recovery operation highlights efficient administration. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to navigate these essential steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Google Workspace tutorials for more tips and tricks.